Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine, you are well, you are
Audio
great.
Jungle.
Okay, students, today Sir Juan want to explain to you how to do your computer project in grade 5. Okay,
Audio Jungle.
I want to show you this one. Okay, this is your project, student. Yeah, you create a list or table in Microsoft
Audio
Excel. Yeah, create a list or table in Microsoft Excel. Okay, please do your computer project in Microsoft Excel and send the file to my WhatsApp. Deadline is on Monday, 13 May 2022. Okay, yeah, this is the example, student. You do like this one. Yeah, the first, you have two sheets. Yeah, in project.
Audio
First,
Jungle.
yeah, create a list of your favorite songs and rate them with numbers ranging from 1 to. This is the example. You make a list or table, your favorite songs. The example, this one, Three Little Bird, You Are My Sunshine, Here's Come to the Sun, Here Comes the Sun, That Thing You Do, and Yellow. This is the title of songs and ranking number
Audio Jungle.
1 until 5. Then you can find the other song. Yeah, a song you like, you can type here and ranking them. Okay, this is the first. And the second, you create the table or the list like this one. B, example of B. This is the card. List of the card. This is the column card name, company name, cost, and color. Yeah, you can type the card name like this one, Avanza, Expander, Panther, Rocky, and yeah, this is the card name and the company names. This is Toyota, Mitsubishi, Isuzu, Daihatsu, and Suzuki. And the cost, yeah, you can type like this one. Yeah, 290 million. Yeah,
Audio Jungle.
cost of Avanza. This is the example. Okay, you type this one, and the color silver until here, until 5. And you must know this one. Then add another column before the car names. Yeah, before car names one, before column this one, add a new another columns by the name serial number. Serial number. Use the autofill feature. I hope you still remember how to use autofill feature to generate the serial number. Okay, like this one, the example. If you have done to add, you add the serial number, you can, let's say, can see it like this. This have another or a new column with the name serial number. So in here have 5 columns. Have 5.
Audio Jungle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And before slide just now, only 4 slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. But after we add the new columns, so we have 5 columns. Hope you understand how to add a new column here. Okay, students, this is the step to do your project. Turn on your computer or laptop, then run the Microsoft Excel application. Do like I have done in Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to save it with your name. Yeah, example Rahel project. Send the file to my WhatsApp. Thank you, student. Okay, Sir Juan will give the score for you. Yeah, from your skill in Microsoft Excel and creativity. Ya, kreativitas kamu. You can make the color in a table. You can make the color in the text and choose the type of the text. That is your creativity, okay, and content dan isinya. Okay, students. I want to show you how to do your
Audio Jungle.
computer project, I open my Microsoft Excel. Okay, Excel. Okay, this one. Just now, we have two, yeah, kid. So we can double click this one, the sheet, make A, yeah, and we add new sheet. This one, click this one. Okay, and this double click and make B. Make B. Then A. Yeah, we type here. Here song. Yeah, and here ranking number. Okay, and make bigger. You make resize the column. Also here. Yeah. And then students, you can type here the name of the song. Yeah, example of my love. Okay, and make again my heart will go on. Okay, and then you make Soledad. Okay, this is the example kit. You can make until 5, yeah, because the instruction here, yeah, you type, yeah, this is 5, okay. Then make here 1, 2, yeah. After that you can use autofill, yeah, drag until 5 here. Okay, and then don't forget students, make the border. You select the cell and then all border, yeah, and make here this one. Yeah, we have studied about this one, vertical and horizontal alignment. So you choose this one, make the text in the center. Okay, this is also make in center block. Okay, and then make this bar. Okay, students. Okay. And then you can make it bigger, students. You can block. Okay, and then choose the font size. The example this one. Okay, you can add the new song here, kid, until 5, yeah, kid, up to you, yeah, kid. That is for A. Now we want to make the list, the names car, yeah, kid, in B. Okay, example just now, car name. Okay, then company name, then cost, then color. Yeah, this is the first 4 columns, yeah, kid, 4 columns, A, B, C, D. Yeah, we can resize the column. Click here, then drag. That's the way how to resize the column. Okay, drag again, and this is also. We type here the example just now, the first Avanza. Okay, company name, yeah, you know, Avanza from Toyota. And cost, yeah, we type here 290 million. We make the next one 00, and then color silver. Okay, student, you can see here, student, don't forget it. You must make like this one, and then choose this one, separate with comma. Yeah, you can click. Okay, and then resize the column. Okay, student, this is clear, yeah, kid. 290 millions. Okay, and then you can continue here until 5, student. 5. Yeah, just now like expander. Yeah, you can add panther. Yeah, and then make See here just now. Ya, Rocky and L3 di example ya, kid. Ya. Okay. Yeah, you can type here, later continue. You can do like example and make the cost here. And then don't forget, student, block, select the cell, then click this one, border and all border. Okay, and don't forget, yeah, this is your creativity kit. Ini kreativitas kalian. Yeah, you can choose this one, block, and then make in the center. And then if you want to make it bigger, you can click and make it bigger. Yeah, one. And you can make the color kit. Yeah, choose this one, the example. If you want to color the text, you can click this one. Okay, and make bold. Okay, this is also kid. Okay, the color up to you, yeah, kid. What color you want, you can choose. Okay, students. I think enough for instruction or tutorial how to do your project. After this, yeah, after like this, you can save, click file, yeah, save. And where you want to save, in what folder you want to save, yeah. Examples for you want save in this one, grade 5, yeah. Then 5, yeah, okay. And then type Mr. 1 project. Okay, you type like this one, kid. Don't forget type by your name. Yeah, don't forget make the project and then save. Okay, after that, student, you can open your WhatsApp, yeah, and then send to my WhatsApp, student. Okay, I want to remind you, kids, have two sheet, ya, ada dua sheet, kid, A and B. Itu file ini, ya, Mr. Juan project ini ada dua sheet, A and B. So in A you can type in this one the names of song and ranking number, and also, yeah, this is have two columns, and B have this one name, company cost, company name, cost, and color. Oh yeah, kid, don't forget add, yeah, add this one, add another column before current name. Okay, I want to show you, student, how to add a new column before current name. This one, insert sheet column. Okay, student, already have new one column, yeah, have new one column, and then type here serial number. Okay, and then type 1 and 2, and then, student, yeah, now here use, yeah, the autofill feature. Yeah, you can block 1 and 2 and then use autofill this one. Move your mouse pointer in here, yeah, in this point up until your mouse pointer change to become this one, yeah, plus, yeah, black plus this one. Okay, and then black. Okay, student, then you make in center. Okay, and you see this one different, yeah, kid. This is 14, the size of text 14, and here 11. So you can block and make and change this one for this is, you cannot see number, so you can resize. Click here and drag. Okay, this is no have border, so you must block again, yeah, kid, and then click border, this one, all border. But this is have not color, this is no color, yeah, you can make the color, kid. Just click here, and this is, if you want to make the other color, you can choose the other one. Okay, so now we have 5 columns, yeah, kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, student, yeah, sorry, just now Sir John forget to explain about this one. Yeah, now you know how to add a new column. Yeah, before car names. Okay, you make block all. Then click this one. Already same. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is you want to make the color. Okay, good. This is also you can add. Yeah. If you want to make the other color, the text. Yeah. Okay. Okay, student, I think enough clear. Yeah, I hope you can do your computer project as good as possible. Okay, thank you, student, for your attention. Keep healthy, keep spirit. Nice to see you. Bye bye.